In this video, I will show you how to set up suggested messages for AI Assist. These prompts act as guides for both you and your visitors, ensuring smooth communication and effective problem solving. Let's add a suggested message. First, go to AI settings and scroll down to the data source. In the shortcut section, enable this button and click Edit. A small window will appear and then click Add Shortcut. Add a message or a question here to let the AI send the message that we will enter in the message field. Enter the shortcut name you prefer. Enter the answer to the question here. And click Add Element to add a suggested message. We can add up to 4 suggested messages in one shortcut. Once you are done editing, just click Save. Now let's link the first suggested message to a shortcut that will send a link to make a booking. Place the suggested message that we previously entered here. Add the answer, and then enter the shortcut name. The next step is to create a concierge department that we will use to receive the transfer chat. Just click the gear icon, then navigate to User Management on the left side menu and select Departments. Click the green button, enter your department name, provide a short description, and select the member you want to add. Now we need to link the second suggested message to a specific shortcut using the AI question field. Create a new shortcut, and then put the suggested message you entered earlier in this area. Enter your response here. Enter a shortcut name. Add a transfer chat action and select the concierge department that we created earlier. Now let's try if the AI responds according to the data we provided. As you can see, AI suggested a message and sent the data we provided in the shortcuts to respond to the customer's inquiry. For further instructions on how to use this function, please visit our community center or schedule a call with an AI Assist specialist by clicking the link in the description.